Bike, a Vietnamese electric motorcycle manufacturing startup, received an investment of $2.6 million United States dollars from Jungle Ventures, Wavemaker Partners, Hustle Fund and iSeed Ventures in Singapore. It is known that electric bicycles are generally less susceptible to collision than conventional motorcycles and can provide only half the performance of gasoline motorcycles due to their narrow driving range. However, Bike has announced that its e-bike model, Weber, can compete well with gasoline bikes in power and mileage.
Nothing beats a day with a Weaver. Weaver by Bike.
Bike's Weber is equipped with a 5,000-watt motor and can accelerate from 0 to 50 kilometers in just 3 seconds. Weber's charging time is less than 3 hours, the fastest in Vietnam. And its brake mechanism is tailored to Vietnam's traffic conditions. Sun Nguyen, founder and CEO of Bike, said, "I want to turn 250 million gasoline bikes in Southeast Asia into electric bikes. We believe that everyone will choose electricity over gas, given the choice. Current electric motorcycles on the market are lagging behind in power and mileage, making it difficult for people to switch. But with new investment funds, we will continue to innovate and create the most attractive electric motorcycles for Southeast Asia and the world." Amit Anand, founding partner of Jungle Ventures, said, "This investment in Bike is our first investment in the mobile device sector, which is rapidly changing with technology. In particular, the $25 billion motorcycle industry in Southeast Asia is benefiting from new developments in electric vehicles and automation." Weber can be purchased on the Bike company website and in offline stores in Ho Chi Minh City. Weber costs 39.9 million Vietnamese dong.